Hey guys, thanks for listening to another edition of the Dean Clark Group podcast. So this week, Hoboken and downtown Jersey City are definitely in the lead with the amount of new listings that are hitting every week. So in the last 3 weeks, it's been consistently around 150 per city or per section, really. And so that's quite a bit. That's about a 50% change year over year, week over week. And although I like the activity, it's great in many respects, it's also weighing down a little bit on pricing. And I noticed that, look, a lot of sellers are expecting things to happen as fast or as much as they're experiencing whatever they're buying out in Westchester, Connecticut, suburbs of Jersey, Florida, and North Carolina seem to be the most popular areas from Jersey here in the Hoboken greater market up to Edgewater and Jersey City. So what I'm noticing is just, look, a lot of my conversations are, it's all about it just managing your expectations about how the flow of the market is actually going today versus, with what you're seeing or maybe experiencing where you're buying, right? The whole reason that this big, event happened with this pandemic is it's forced your decision to basically move out to the suburbs a lot sooner than probably you wanted to, or there's an opportunity for you to buy land, then you could do it because interest rates are ridiculously low. I personally am looking to refinance myself right now. So, yeah, there's a lot of good things happening from that perspective, but also understand if you're a seller, like I've been saying, if you have an opportunity to buy, which most of my clients are, thank goodness, then that's great. Then it makes sense for you to cash out a little bit lower than probably what you would expect. The market's not dead here on the coast. I want to make that very clear. I think there's a lot of misconception that, I'm talking to a lot of people, property owners, and they think that this market is just completely dead. We're not getting the same action. They're holding off and waiting. It's like, no, we have a window of opportunity right now before the election to really try to sell your property. People are out. It's summertime still at the end of the day, and more things are opening back up, and properties are being handled accordingly. Counties like obviously Bergen and Essex and Morris in these hot areas right now. They're getting the brunt of all the activity and the attention, but it doesn't mean. So whatever you feel like, and this is the number I want to throw out there to you guys this week, is whatever, if you're in this market along the coast, if you live especially in a high amenity building, aka high maintenance building, Gregory Commons, Watermark in North Bergen, any one of these buildings that we service, take off about 5% of whatever you think it's worth and deduct that number from 5%, and that's approximately where most likely your best chance at selling in your price range might be in terms of what the market's giving you today. So I hope that's helpful. Any questions, of course, text me, call me, email me, dean@deanclarkgroup.com or 201-240-8319. Have a great week and a great day. Stay safe.